In the list of desk hacks below, I've tried to include as many different types of desks, for small spaces, standing desk, corner desks, etc. that I could, because I want you to find the perfect workspace too. Enjoy the list. 1. Gold Spray Paint Desk Hack. Another glamorous IKEA DIY desk hack in gold. And this hack is super affordable. You must try this ideas. 2. Printer Storage Cart Hack. I'm adding this to my list of must-do IKEA office ideas. The IKEA Stuva shelf is a perfect printer storage cart or solution. Also, love how it's tucked away neatly under that desk. 3. IKEA desk with gold leg accent. This IKEA desk hack costs less than $100 and looks fabulous. Love those gold legs. 4. Slim desk hack. This IKEA hack slim desk is functional and perfect for small spaces and budgets. There is plenty of room for a laptop and has storage drawers as a bonus. 5. Calix Desk Ak with storage. This clever IKEA hack computer desk is perfect for a home office, with the bonus of lots of storage space with the Calix shelves for around $150. 6. Chic Faux Marble Top Desk Hack. Looking for chic IKEA office ideas? This IKEA DIY desk was painted copper and given a marble tabletop. Add some glam to your workday with this beaut. 7. Counter Height Hobby Desk. This IKEA counter height desk is budget friendly and has plenty of desk storage. This would make a great hobby or craft table and cutting table for sewing fabric. 8. Cheap Desk Hack Home Office. An IKEA hack desk with storage that only costs $60. Win-win. 9. Butcher Block Countertop Desk Hack. Another IKEA hack desk with storage that uses a beautiful IKEA butcher block countertop. Love the earthy wooden color. 10. Craft Room Desk Hack. A crafter's dream. Lots of storage options with this IKEA hack desk with storage. 11. Small Space Desk Hack. This chic and cute Parsene-inspired desk is lovely. This blogger used gold spray paint to make this IKEA desk hack in gold. 12. Wooden Legs Desk Hack. Love the clean look to this DIY desk, and those legs. This blogger also used a teal IKEA Raskog cart to organize more office supplies beside her desk. 13. Big Desk Hack. Lots of storage. Another gorgeous butcher block tabletop desk from IKEA. There is lots of storage with this hack since it uses dressers as a base. 14. Simple Wooden Tabletop Desk. Want simple? This minimalist IKEA hack desk is modern, clean, and could even be incorporated nicely into your home decor. 15. IKEA Office and Desk Organization Hacks. Love the multiple IKEA office hacks along with the desk. The IKEA Lack side table as a printer stand is genius and cheap. 16. Wall Built-in Desk Hack. If you prefer more storage space than desk space, then you'll love this DIY custom IKEA desk hack made with the Calix shelves. 17. IKEA Desk with Wall Storage. This is one of the best IKEA desk hacks I've seen. I love how they've used the IKEA Calix shelf to create all the wall storage options and office organization. Awesome. 18. Craft Desk Table Hack. If you're on the lookout for an affordable $150 DIY craft table with lots of quick and accessible storage, then this IKEA craft desk hack is a must-try. It uses the IKEA Trofast shelves as the base. 19. Standing Desk Hack. Standing desks are super popular these days, but are expensive. Here is an awesome hack to make an IKEA hack standing desk for much less. 20. IKEA Rast Desk Hack. Love this IKEA desk hack made from the IKEA Rast and IKEA Calix. That pegboard is another great way to add some extra organization for tools.